Hello, my name is Turf20, and today we are going to be talking about how to make clips. So as you're watching a VOD, which is also known as a video on demand, or a live stream, assuming that the streamer has them enabled, you are able to make what are called clips. Clips are short moments you can capture from the stream or VOD to save to watch later. In order to make a clip, the most common way is to click the little clip icon on the video itself in the bottom right corner, as you can see here. This will open a new window in which you can edit the clip you're trying to make. One thing to note is that the clip will end right around where you click to the clip button, and it captures roughly a little over a minute or so of content. From here, you'll be able to adjust the start and end of the clip and review what you've clipped to make sure the clip is exactly the content that you wanted to save. But note that you can only clip up to 60 seconds. You want to give your clip a title. Otherwise, it will automatically be named the same name as the stream title. Now, if you're making clips of your own content, you'll be given the option to feature the clip, which you can toggle here. I'm going to toggle this off. If you are happy with your clip, then you can click Publish. Otherwise, just close the tab and the clip will not be published. Once the clip is published, it will process for a short moment, and once it's done, it will have a generated URL that you can copy and share with others. You can access clips that you've made from the Clips Manager in your Creator dashboard. So here in your Creator dashboard, if you go down to Content and then to Clips, there's clips of your channel and then clips that you've created, two different sections. From here, you can rename the clips that you've made by clicking the Edit icon. If it's your own clips, then you can click the Feature icon if you want to feature them, or click it again if you want to unfeature. Here you can click the Share, and it'll give you various ways to share the content, and or you can delete them. Streamers are also able to access clips of their channel and manage them, as well as in terms of watching, sharing, downloading, deletion, or featuring. Hopefully this helps in terms of how to make clips, and we'll see you again in the next video.